Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the wonderful and amazing benefits of pigeon pose. I'm also going to share with you how to warm up to get into this pose and how to deepen your pose. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video, you guys. If you're watching, please do subscribe to the channel for loads more. It literally means the whole wide world to me when you do. I create yoga, workouts, healthy recipes, lifestyle and challenges. I'm a mum of 2. I would love to share them all with you. Let's jump straight into it. You see what I did there? First things first, we're just going to open up our hips by doing a little yoga squat. We are just moving our knees from side to side, really stretching those hips. Yoga squats are great at relieving lower back pain. They help to strengthen your legs, your feet, and calves and ankles. They also really help to stimulate the abdominal and internal organs, and they help to stabilize your spine. Also, did you guys know that yoga squats stimulate the sex glands, and they also purify the spleen? Your spleen is a fist-sized organ and it plays a really important part in your body's immune system. It's located in your left side of your abdomen. Just thought I'd share that with you guys. Quite interesting, right? Moving on to our next pose, which is happy baby, and this is called a happy baby for a reason, because you guys, when you get in this pose, you literally feel happy. I'm literally so happy even talking about it. An amazing hip opener, and I like to really push myself to the limit and try to put each knee, touch it to the ground, which really intensifies the stretch. Obviously you do not have to do this. I just love to push myself to the absolute limit. And it's really great at opening your hips. And make sure you just be patient with yourself, be kind, don't really listen to your body. And this pose really helps to calm the brain. It helps to relieve stress and fatigue, and it stretches and soothes your spine. It also stretches the hamstrings whilst opening up your hips, inner thighs, and your groin. It also helps to release tension in the lower back and the sacrum. Now just doing a forward fold to really stretch our legs. In a seated position, back stretching out our hips. I love this pose. And just doing a little ankle roll. Now into boat pose, and then just really stretch those legs, guys. So we're ready to take on this pose. Into downward dog. Raising one leg up into a three-legged downward dog. Stretching out our legs. Practicing these poses daily, it will really help you to deepen and achieve your pigeon pose. Really feel the stretch, breathing into your legs and your thighs. It's always vital to really warm our bodies up before attempting challenging poses, as it prevents injury or any pain or tension building up in your back. Inhale, exhale. Let it all go, guys. This stretch is really great at stimulating the internal organs and also help with urinary disorders. Now that we've done one side, we're just going to attempt the other side. Also really great at diminishing lower back pain and stiffness. Pigeon pose is really great for opening up the hips, and it helps to release any negative feelings and undesirable energy which is often stored in our systems. This is truly an amazing stretch. It really helps to calm the mind and brain. It also helps to energize the body, You really feel it deep when you come all the way to the floor. And don't worry if you can't come as low. Be patient, be kind with yourself. It's truly amazing at relieving the body from stress. Ensure to breathe consciously and deeply. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Let all your stress just go, just blow it all out, let it go, you guys. And inhale positivity and new life. Anything that doesn't serve you, just blow it all out. Truly feels amazing. Breathe into the stretch. Now, since we've been in that deep back stretch doing our pigeon pose, we are just gonna relieve our back and make sure that we don't feel any pain or anything. Really just loosen it up after that deep stretch. So I'm just gonna do a forward fold. I'm trying to work on my spinal waves since the benefits of spinal waves are amazing. I really want to make a video about them as well. Really move your back just to prevent any soreness building up after the deep stretch. Into downward dog and then into cobra. Big massive thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you found it useful and insightful. And nothing left to do now than wish you peace, love and light, and I shall see you guys in my next upload. Mwah.